Happy Saturday, everybody. Welcome. At least you're going to be seeing this on Saturday. I just wanted to give a disclaimer. This video is being recorded on Thursday, December 9th. Last week, I had to do the same, and it's kind of ironic. I recorded a fair warning and caution on Thursday. Yes, unfortunately, we have to wait until Saturdays, but I have some good news. If you don't want to wait week to week, if you don't want to wait all the way until Saturdays, because some days I record on Fridays, the day before, or Thursdays, especially these past 2 weeks, my Fridays have been incredibly busy. If you want to stay ahead of this market as much as possible, these crypto markets, I would highly recommend following me on my YouTube. Subscribe below. I'll leave a link in the description. 2 weeks ago, on Wednesday, I began to tell my followers that I am de-risking by removing and moving profits from my cryptocurrencies into stable coins because I knew what was coming. I know some people got upset because Saturday, it happened, the caution, the warning, all these things happened after the fact. But I'm here to tell you, I recorded that video on Thursday, and I wanted to be transparent and let you guys know that this video here is being recorded on Thursday. Today is the 9th where I am at. 3 weeks ago, let's backtrack a little bit more. I want to clarify some things and just throw some light on some things. 3 weeks ago, I was extremely bullish. I had a reason to believe that we were going to just continue and hit new all-time highs and just basically continue up. But I made a mistake those 3 weeks ago, and I'm here to make take full accountability of that mistake. And in a way, I am glad that I failed, because the mistake that I made will never be made again. And when I looked closer, okay, the week following 3 weeks ago, I made sure to focus on a little bit more education. And then the week after, I was like, holy crap, this is not looking like a good month for cryptocurrencies. And I decided to give the fair warning again. Unfortunately, the video was recorded Thursday, the day before the correction. And I let my followers know on Wednesday that I'm beginning to de-risk. And on Friday, we saw a 20% pullback. Is that a word? Is that a thing? Anyways, let's keep moving forward. I still strongly stand behind my convictions, guys. I think we will experience at least one more major pullback. I do not like this weekend for Ethereum or Bitcoin. So hopefully, you know, again, this video is recorded Thursday, and today that you are seeing this, it will be Saturday. I don't like this weekend at all. Today we got news of Evergrande being rated as a company that went into default. This kind of spooked the crypto markets, and it spooked the equities markets as well. I mean, you guys, the other thing too, I just want to say this, you do not have to follow me, and I don't care. My goal, my intention is simple and clear, and that is to be right most of the time. I'm not going to be right all of the time, and that is okay, because we're all human and we make mistakes. But as long as I'm learning from my failures, I know that I'm going to continue bringing the best that I have week in and week out to you guys here on this channel, especially to the people who follow me over on my own YouTube channel as well. The focus is changing for me right now. This month is going to get bumpy. I have no doubt in my mind. I do expect a major pullback, another one happening. I don't see a definitive breakthrough, especially given the price action that we have seen these past couple weeks. Now, I want to throw a big disclaimer on top of all of this. This does not mean that there is no opportunities within the crypto space. There will still be opportunities. Certain altcoins will rally. I am sure of it. In the DeFi space, there is going to be abundant opportunities as well. My focus after this year is not just going to be in crypto investing, but also shifting my focus on bringing awareness to Web 3.0, as I also like to call the digital renaissance. Now, what is Web 3.0? Well, I did a video on Wednesday about it, yesterday about it. No, actually, I apologize. On Tuesday about it, where I talked about the metaverse being the face of Web 3.0. I'm talking virtual cloud economies, major disruptions in business practices due to disruptive technology that we call blockchain. From a macro perspective, I am an investor and a believer in blockchain technology and Web 3.0, not just because there is no debt attached to cryptocurrencies. There is no counterparty risk. Once you own cryptocurrencies and precious metals, you own them. They are not Federal Reserve notes. And you own them, you own cryptocurrencies even more if you move your cryptos into a hard wallet, which I'll leave a link for Ledger in the description below as well. From a macro perspective, I am a huge crypto bull because blockchain technology is here to stay. The metaverse, NFTs, smart contracts, these things will revolutionize the way we do business. So it doesn't matter whether the markets go up or down. I am a huge believer in cryptocurrencies. Now, on the flip side, as a trader, I am a little bit more objective because my goal is to make profit. And as a trader, what do? You trade the trends. We're not trying to pick tops or bottoms here. We are going for trends. And cryptocurrencies is a volatile space. Just as quick as we can go up, just as quick we will go the opposite way. So it is very important to keep those two perspectives in mind. An investor has more emotional attachment involved, and truthfully, I do because I freaking believe in cryptocurrencies. But as a trader, I'm able to step back and be able to look at the bigger picture, and that is, what are the trends? Are we going up? Are we going down? And again, nobody has to listen to what I say. Nobody has to follow me. I'm not here saying do what I say. I'm not saying this is educational, this is investment advice. No, I always tell you guys, this is not investment advice. This is for educational content only. And if you're curious how I make these predictions, well, you know what to do. The link for my YouTube will be in the description below. And finally, the final thing that I want to talk about is a lot of people talk smack about the gem that I talked about last week. Guys, I've brought to you a lot of gems in this channel. Majority, not all of them, majority have done exceptionally well. And I hope whoever listened to me has taken advantage and most importantly, pulled profits when deemed fit. This gem last week was no exception. Okay, Mannarino. And again, not financial or investment advice, but Mannarino in a short couple of days rallied 100+%. So you effectively 2x'd whatever your investment was if at the time of the video you looked into it. And it's still not too late. They're a little above 300,000 market cap. When I covered them, they were around 170 or 150,000 market cap. It is still really freaking early, and that is where the money is at in the crypto space, is being early. And they're not just a meme coin. That's the thing. A lot of other people were just like, oh, Kian, you're shilling a shit coin, whatever. And I'm like, whoa, like, I don't shill shit coins first and foremost, because for a shit coin to be a shit coin, it has to be shit. Okay. But this is a different meme token. These guys are focusing on bringing awareness and education in the DeFi space. I'm talking things that you need to know to stay safe if you are an investor in the DeFi space. And just a lot of other bullish things that they are doing, in my opinion. You don't have to listen, and that's okay. But I will do what I feel is right, and I will bring to you these gems as I see fit. And a majority of them in the past have done exceptionally well. And my goal was always to bring it to you guys early. So with that said, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. I just wanted to use this episode to first and foremost clarify what has happened in my train of thought these past 3 weeks. Number 2, to tell you guys that I am firm in the belief that December is going to be a bearish month for cryptocurrencies. And that was because I am no longer overlooking any details that I missed. So with that said, please give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're curious about how I time these markets and also how I make my predictions and a lot of other blockchain related content. And make sure you are obviously following this channel as well. And if I have helped you out in any way, shape, or form, I am asking for your support and donation humbly. I'm going to leave a PayPal link in the description below. How about just $5? Follow in the footsteps of my man Greg. If I have helped you in any way, shape, or form, I just only ask that you pay it forward. With that said, guys, thank you for tuning in. I love all of you, and I wish all of you abundance, peace, and wisdom as well. Wisdom is delicious. You know, there's wisdom and then there's knowledge, right? You can know all the things that you want in the world, but wisdom will ultimately always win. Sending you guys so much love, and I will see you very soon. Y'all stay blessed and take care.